Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Brian Sequeira and these are the headlines. The Bumiputra Bill is against the very concept of son of soil, natives and domicile. Will not stand in the court of law and it's an election gimmick, say experts. Police forced to push their van. This says a lot over the way prevailing system in the state works. Almost like a scene from a comedy movie, but insiders say most line departments' equipment in bad shape. The southwest monsoon was weak over Goa. Light to moderate rainfall in short intense spells likely. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to be around 30 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius. Now for the news in detail. The song from Hathi Mere Sati feels very nostalgic, especially about the elephant pushing the broken car. Nostalgic for viewers, but not for those pushing the car. A video of cops pushing a broken car at Kepe has gone viral. Are these cops singing the same song while pushing the car? Watch.
पुलीस हे आम्ही रक्षक म्हणून पळयता आणि ते जेन्ना रक्षा करता ती जाल्यार खंयचे गांवाची जाल्यार आमच्या देशाची तेन्ना तांचे कडेन जी वाहन आसता ती तांकां बरी आसता तांचे कडेन वेपन आसता ती बरी आसपाक जाय पूण तांचे कडेन ती वाहन जावं वेपन सारकी ना जाल्यार ते लॉ एंड ऑर्डर जावं बाकी एक चोर आयलो जाल्यार तागे कितें कोणाकूय चोर धरपा जाय जावं कोणाक काटलो करपा जाय कोणाकूय हें करपा एक मर्डरिस्ट धरपा जाय जाल्यार तांचे कडेन जी वाहन आहा ती पयली म्हणल्यार सारकी आसपाक जाय. एक सांगपाची एक गोष्ट म्हळ्यार केपी जी पुलीस स्टेशनाची गाडी आसा जे पेट्रोलिंग करता ते रात दीस पुलीस तातूंत भितर बसता रात दीस 24 तास ते गाडये भितर भोंवता तातूंत भितर ते पुलीस बसपाची तांकां सिटां जावं तांगे ते तांकां कितें जाय ते वायरलेस ते सगळ्यो गोश्टी सारक्यो आसपाक जाय पूण जी गाडी आसा केपी पुलीस स्टेशनार ती जी आज दुर्दर्शन जाल्ली आसा ती पुलिसाची जी गाडी आसा ती आवाडे केपे हांगा बंद पडली आणि एक आश्चर्याची गोष्ट म्हळ्यार ते पुलीस जे आसा ते धक्का करताले आणि ताजो सगळो व्हिडिओ आज गोंयभर व्हायरल जाल्लो आसा. एक पुलीस जेन्ना आपल्याली ड्युटी करपा आसून गाडीचो धक्को दिता जेन्ना एक ड्युटी वयले पुलीस देंवता गाडी फाटल्यान 4 जाण पुलीस तुकयता आसतना हो व्हिडिओ सकाळच्यान सावड्ड्या भितर आनी अख्ख्या हाजेर ग्रुपार व्हायरल जाता. सरकार म्हणटा की लॉ एंड ऑर्डर आमचे बरी चलता हें चलता बरोबर सरकार सगळें उलयता पूण जे तांची मेन नेसेसिटीज आसा त्यो सरकारान आज लक्ष दिवपाची गरज आसा. जर तांकां नेसेसिटीज सारकी दिल्यो जाल्यार ह्यो चोरयो जाल्यार एक चोराक धरता जाल्यार ते फाटल्यान वतले जाल्यार तांकां ते पाटलाग करपाक येतले. वाहन पुलिसाक आमी जे आमचें संरक्षण करता 24 तास आमचे खातीर ड्युटी करता तांचे आमी आनी सरकारान पळोवपाची खूब गरज आसा. प्रौढ सावर्डेकर केपेच्यान.
The top layer of the subway at Goa Medical College has disappeared. Large holes are seen at regular intervals. These get covered with water when it rains. Here are the details.
The roads in Goa have completely deteriorated during the rains. The roads were repaired last year, but they have got washed off and are full of potholes. Motorists have a hard time while driving on these roads, and there is also a fear of accidents. Watch the pitiful condition of the GMC subway. Shamchari for Goa 365 Panaji.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The Bumiputra Act is against the very concept of son of soil, natives and domicile. The act will not stand in the court of law and is an election gimmick. The act must be opposed to protect identity and culture of Goa. These were the thoughts expressed by some experts on Bumiputra Act.
There is huge unrest in Goa over the Bumiputra bill, saying the bill will give land rights to migrants. Chief Minister has kept it in abeyance, said the bill will be passed in the next assembly election after rectification and discussions in the assembly. A talk on the Bumiputra bill, insights and analysis organized by National Confederation of Human Rights Organization Goa unit at Borda Margaon on Friday. Speakers Cleophas Almeida Coutinho and Ramkrishna Jalmi gave detailed analysis of the bill.
The government told us that we are bringing a bill to protect Bumiputra, and in the assembly as well as in the press, the Chief Minister told us person who has resided in Goa 100 years. Now, this goes against the very concept, say, of the sons of the soil. It goes against the very concept of natives. It goes against the very concept of domicile. Simply because domicile is residence plus your intention to reside in that place. Accordingly, the government also knew that such a law would not stand the scrutiny of courts. All that they wanted to do was create an election slogan, create some sort of vote in a section of society which they felt was to an extent, say, 25 to 30%.
वो आपके आप गोइया कल्चर हेरिटेज आयडेंटिटी हमारा दाखला आणि वो तो नाव आम्ही मागील करतो कदाचित गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफिस मध्ये पडले गव्हर्नमेंट सुरू करतात पुरेसे पडले गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफिस मध्ये कसं आणि जातात लोकांची पडले आणि ठेवायचे तर आम्ही याचा गोइया आयडेंटिटी गोलमामध्ये आम्ही सगळ्यांनी बिना प्रपोज करपाक जाय तातूंत तें समोर येता बघा बील घेवपाचें आनी तें वाचून घेतलें आनी दुसरे वेरी नेक्स्ट डे तेचा आमच्या कम्युनिटीचे मार्फत रापयली मार्फत सकाळ फुडें गव्हर्नर हें बील आसा तें गोंयकारांक खूब गोंयकारांक आसा तें आमकां आसा कारण हांगासर जे एग्रीकल्चर लोक आसा फिशरमॅन आसा दोंगर कल्टिवेटरचे लोक आसा तशेंच लोक हांगा त्रास जातले ताका लागून हें बील घेयात खाली घेयात आनी हेजेर अशें जीवनाक
Ramesh Nagarath for Goa 365 from Margao.
The Consacha fest at Taligaon was celebrated with pomp and gaiety. The parish priest cut first sheaves of rice and this was later taken to the church.
Taligaon was officially accorded the privilege by then Portuguese governor Afonso de Albuquerque to cut the first sheaves of rice and present it on 21st August. The Thanksgiving ceremony commemorates the Festa de Espiga or Novidade, which is the time for rejoicing and worship in gratitude for the harvest.
कोविड-19 वो कोरोना वायरस हे महामारीक लागून या पॅन्डेमिकाक लागून ही व्हडलो 4 दिसांचो दबाजो आमी रद्द केला आनी फक्त आयज आमी सांगाताक इन्कॉन्सां देवाक भेटयली आनी देवाक आर्गां दिवन आमचे दोतोरेचेर आशिर्वाद मागूंक आमी हो दबाजो इगोर्जेन समोर उरलो. आमचो एकूच आवडो आनी एकूच इत्सा की आमी आमच्या गोंयांत आमची जमीन आनी बोकून आमची शेतां बाटां सांबाळची राखची आनी ताचें उत्पन्न करचें बोकून पाड आशिल्लीं शेतां आमी हातान घेवन तांचेर कामाश करचें आनी आमचें गोंय भांगराचें गोंय हें आमचें गोंय शेतां माडांनी भरलेलें गोंय आमी तशेंच हिरवें हिरवें सांबाळून भोंवचें हें मनान धरून तुमकां सगल्यांक फेस्ताची म्हणून पोरबी दिता आनी आमचे समस्यांचेर बापाचो सुरवय आशिर्वाद मागता. देव बरें करूं.
The traditional Chanekas say that they are suffering a lot due to coronavirus pandemic. Due to restrictions due to the pandemic, Chanekas have faced financial losses. They say government should put attention and slowly start the feeds. The Chanekas have requested.
बिझनेस आमचो म्हाज्या आज्या कडल्यान.
कसलो बिझनेस तो?
हो चणे भिगणा फेस्ताक हांगा आमचे फिक्स. फक्त म्हाका एकूच सांगूं जाय की एटलिस्ट सीएमान आमच्या गोंयच्या मुखेलमंत्र्यान आमचे जे चोणेकार आनी खाजेकार आहा तेंचेर मातशें लक्ष दिवचें. पॅन्डेमीक टायमाक आमी ऑलमोस्ट काबार जाल्लेले आहा आनी आतां ही फेस्तां मातशी हळू हळू तरी तेणी सगळीं चालू करची ओल्ड गोवाची सगळीं चालू करची मातशें हेच रिक्वेस्ट. एक ऑलमोस्ट 70% सोंपलेले आहा पॅन्डेमीक टायमाक. एक लास्ट इयर कसली खंयचीच आमची म्हणटा ती मेन गोंयचे फेस्त सांगना शिरदोना जाले मातशे सगळ्याक जाले पूण मेन म्हणजे आमची गोंयचे व्हडले फेस्त. सो एटलिस्ट आतां सीएमान मातशी तरी आमकां कितें तरी हातभार लावचो आमचो इतलोच मागणी सीएमा कडेन.
William Rodriguez for Goa 365 from Taligaon.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Now for the weather. The southwest monsoon was weak over Goa. Light to moderate rainfall occurred at most places. A few short intense spells are very likely, with maximum and minimum temperatures likely to be around 30 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius. With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iPhones, to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa365.